Next up, another triple museum box break. See if we can stay hot. Brian E has the Diamondbacks. Brian V, Indians, Twins. CP3 Wade, A's. Craig has Braves, Orioles, and Nationals. Shinobi with the Cardinals. Doug has the Pirates. E-Beast, Astros. Gabriel has the Padres. Jacob has the Brewers. Cranky Yankee, White Sox, and Mets. You got to be kidding me, has the Dodgers. Oh, that was not a strike. Ken has Red Sox, Reds, Marlins, and Blue Jays. Lawrence with the Tigers. Matthew B, Giants, Rays. Faith, Rockies, Mariners. Tribe Guy, Royals, Yankees. Tijuana, Taxi Glass, Cubs, Phillies, Rangers. So that's probably Cubs, probably a Ernie Banks 1 of 1 or something. And 8-Gate with the Angels. Let's see if 8-Gate can hit a Trout. That would be just tremendous. Bowman Draft Jumbo coming up next. 12 left in Museum, 26 in the Triple Football. That's all we have left for tonight. That's all. We're only doing that tonight. I don't even know why I got on here. We're only going to do 10 breaks tonight. You guys are out of control. Summer's almost over. We're getting back into the busy season where there's some good releases coming out. You guys realize next week is Topps Chrome and NT basketball. It's like Christmas in August. Love Topps Chrome. Oh, box topper. Oh, mama. Let me put that right there. Those are usually those canvas collection oversized non-autograph things, I think, but there's autograph versions as well. Alright, I'm going to do this one the way I meant to do the last one. Which is like this, 13, 14, 15. Let's start with that box topper, though. Let's just have a look-see. Ready? I'll use the wrap. Oh, framed, oversized canvas collection box loader. Yeah, I don't think it's autographed. Buster Posey. Matthew B. I love Topps Chrome. Dude, it's colored chrome autographs. Superfractors. You see the rookie class this year? You see who's in Topps Chrome? It's crazy. It's going to be amazing. All right. David Wright, Robin Yount, and Johnny Cueto. Joe Morgan to 50 for Ken. Willie Mays, quad relic. Number 2 of 5. Jeez. Matt. See that 2 of 5? You can barely see it. There it is. 2 of 5, Willie Mays. You got a bat relic and 3 jersey relics. Man. And 2 nice Giants cards already. We're on fire tonight. The football mixer is the only one that wasn't amazing. Seems like everything else is pretty good. Agon, Bob Gibson, Tony Gwynn, Ken Griffey Jr., and Felix Dubront, good old Doobie to $3.99 for Ken. Rusney, Madison Bumgarner, a green Jason Hayward to $1.99. Ozzie Smith and oops. Oh, Red Sox quad. Mookie Betts, Rusney Castillo, Alan Craig, and Daniel Nava. 15 of 75 with the Mookie Betts patch. There you go, Ken. Breaks awesome. Timeline breaks rule, don't they? Manny Machado, Billy Butler, and Bill Mazeroski. Will Clark to 424. Stan Musial, 33 of 35 jumbo relic. Shinobi. Man, what's up, Kevin? I just saw your thing. Dude, Tier 1 was awesome. Last hit of the case in Tier 1, we got a Bryce Harper Red Ink Redemption number to 5. It was crazy. I lost it. And Oakland. Matt Moore, Ozzie Smith, and Lou Brock. Yadier Molina. This is the weirdest thing. A 1-of-1 Fred McGriff on the Cubs. Tijuana Taxi Glass. Look at Robert. He always gets something. I mean, I don't know what this would sell for. How do you have a 1-of-1 with a jumbo white jersey? Come on. Come on. Fred McGriff on the Cubs. 1-of-1 jumbo jersey. Crazy. How does Robert do it? How does he do it? I wonder what that would even sell for. Yeah, I still have Bowman draft coming up next. We've got 12 left in finest. I posted a little high-end football mixer because I felt like people were in the mood for it, but I don't know if that's going to happen. I wish it would. Andrelton Simmons dual jersey auto for the Braves. 48 of 299 for Craig. Nah, the John Jay is the all-time worst 1-of-1. No contest. That one's pretty bad, though. Stan Musial, Justin Upton, and Pablo Sandoval. Willie Stargell to 199. Jared Parker, 291 of 299. This poor guy. Broke his shoulder or his elbow? Broke his elbow, I think. Pitching. There's video of it. He's just pitching, and he just like throws a pitch and breaks his elbow. Sucks. I don't know. Fred McGriff's a pretty popular old player, so it might be worth something. Machado, Willie Mays, Bo Jackson. Tony Gwynn to 99. I feel like I could just post these all night. 38 of 75, CC Sabathia for Tribe Guys Yankees. No, that was the only Tier 1 Asia that they had. I can't get any more, I wish. They have a rule where like they can't sell it here for a year after release, and then by then a lot of times it's sold out. So Wainwright, Braun, and Strasburg. David Wright, Brown, and oops, Ronald Odor, 18 of 50. Runed. Tijuana Taxi Glass. I'll ask again, but I'm pretty sure he said that was they found like one case and that was all they had left. You know what I'm trying to get is 2014 Asia Sterling, because that exists. Imagine how fun that would be. Aroldis Chapman, Yadier Molina, Pablo Sandoval to 50, Asia Parallel. Oh. Tsuyoshi Wada. There he is to 399 for the Orioles. Craig. Wada. Yeah, there is a 2014 Bowman Sterling Asia, but they can't sell it yet here in the States until it's been out a year. But at some point, hopefully, I'll be able to get that. R.A. Dickey, Hank Aaron, Greg Maddux, and Mike Mussina to 199. Tony Cingrani, 36 of 269 for the Reds. For Ken. What's the other thing? Oh, the other thing I'm excited about is hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to get more America's Pastime at a really good price. A really good price. Because there's like none left. From the original, like what people pre-ordered or whatever. DeGrom, Kinsler, and Hayward. Finnegan. Panini was trying to sell it at the full price for a long time, and I think they finally gave up. Uh-oh, that's small text, isn't it? Dual autograph. Man, These triple museums have been just off the hook lately. Dual autograph. All right, what are your guesses? It's 2015 dual autograph. Harper Trout. Actually, I kind of think we're due for a bad one, but are there any bad ones in 15? First name, Greg Maddux. Randy Johnson. Wow. Maddux has to be Braves, but I'm not sure what Randy Johnson is. If only we had our Randy Johnson super collector fan in here who knew. Oh, Chrome's gonna rule. I can't wait for Chrome. So pumped on Chrome. 2015 Topps Museum Collection. Maddux Johnson dual auto. He's Mariners? Yep. Mariners and Braves. Vafe and Craig. Definitely Mariners. I just looked at the checklist.